Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel reviews. First, are you looking for the top 5 best Padle rackets in 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best Padle rackets in 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The Wilson Optix V1 Padel racket is designed for players seeking the perfect balance of power, control, and comfort on the Padel court. Crafted by the trusted sports brand Wilson, this racket delivers reliable performance for beginners and intermediate players looking to improve their game. Featuring a lightweight yet durable construction, the Optix V1 helps players react quickly and maintain control during fast-paced rallies. Its large sweet spot provides better forgiveness on off-center hits, allowing you to maintain accuracy and confidence while playing. The comfortable 2 for 1/4 inch grip size ensures a secure hold, reducing hand fatigue and giving players better maneuverability during long matches. The racket's modern design not only looks stylish, but also enhances overall playability, making it a great choice for recreational and developing Padel players. Whether you're practicing your shots or competing with friends, the Wilson Optix V1 Padel racket offers dependable performance and comfort to elevate your Padel experience. Number 2. The Head Speed Padel Racket Paddle Series is designed for players who want a perfect balance of power, speed, and precision on the Padel court. Created by the renowned sports brand Head, this series includes models such as Pro, Pro X, Motion, Elite 1, 1X, and Team, offering options for players of different skill levels and playing styles. Built with advanced materials and modern technology, the Speed series delivers excellent ball control while maintaining powerful shots. The aerodynamic design improves swing speed, allowing players to react quickly during fast-paced rallies. Each racket is engineered to provide a comfortable grip, stability, and consistent performance throughout every match. The Pro and Pro X models are ideal for competitive players seeking maximum power and control, while the Motion and Elite versions offer a lighter feel for better maneuverability. Meanwhile, the 1X, and Team rackets are perfect for players looking for reliability and balanced performance. With sleek design and professional-grade construction, the Head Speed Padel Racket Paddle Series helps elevate your game and confidence on the court. Number 3. The IANONI at 10 Genius 18K Alum by Agustin Tapia 2025 Padel racket is designed for elite players who demand precision, power, and total control on the court. Developed in collaboration with professional Padel star Agustin Tapia, this luxury teardrop-shaped racket delivers exceptional performance for competitive play. Constructed with advanced 18K Alum carbon fiber, the racket provides outstanding durability while maintaining a balanced feel for powerful shots and accurate placement. The innovative EOS flap technology improves aerodynamics and maneuverability, allowing players to react faster and generate greater swing speed during intense rallies. The racket also features IANONI custom grip technology, enhancing comfort and reducing vibration for better handling and control. Its dual-texture spin surface helps players create greater spin and precision, giving them a tactical advantage during attacking or defensive plays. Perfect for advanced and professional players, the IANONI at 10 Genius 18K Alum by Agustin Tapia 2025 Padel racket combines cutting-edge innovation, premium materials, and elite performance for players aiming to dominate the Padel court. Number 4. The Boule Padel Vertex 05 2026 Padel racket is a high-performance Padel racket designed for players seeking the perfect balance of power, control, and precision on the court. Developed with input from professional player Juan, Tello, this racket reflects elite-level performance and modern technology for competitive play. Built with an Xtend-Carbon 12K face, the racket provides exceptional durability and responsiveness, allowing players to generate powerful shots while maintaining excellent touch. The advanced air power system improves aerodynamics and stability, helping players swing faster and react quickly during intense rallies. Inside the racket, the Multieva core combines multiple EVA densities to deliver optimal ball output. Softer layers enhance comfort and control on slower shots, while the firmer inner layer adds power when striking aggressively. Designed by Boule Padel, the Vertex 05 offers a versatile feel suitable for both attacking and defensive play. Its balanced design helps players maintain precision without sacrificing strength. Whether you're competing or improving your game, The Padle Vertex 05 2026 Padel Racket delivers professional performance, durability, and control on every shot. Number 5. Padel Racket carbon fiber surface with EVA memory flex foam core is designed for players who want power, precision, and durability on the court. Built by IANONI, this Padel racket combines advanced materials with a balanced structure to enhance overall performance for both beginners and experienced players. The carbon fiber surface provides excellent strength and responsiveness, allowing players to generate powerful shots while maintaining control. This high-quality material also improves durability, helping the racket withstand intense rallies and frequent use. Inside the racket, the EVA Memory Flex Foam core delivers a comfortable feel and better shock absorption, reducing vibration and improving stability with every hit. Its lightweight, yet sturdy design makes it easy to maneuver, enabling quick reactions and smooth swings during fast-paced matches. The ergonomic handle ensures a secure grip, helping players maintain confidence and control throughout the game. Whether you're practicing, competing, or improving your skills, the IANONI Padel racket offers a reliable blend of power, comfort, and precision, making it a great choice for anyone passionate about padel tennis.